After threading the upper thread on the B08, you're probably wondering, what about the bobbin? In this video, we'll have a look at the bobbin winder and where to place the bobbin case. Place the thread on the right spool pin and follow the threading path. Thread through the hole in the bobbin from the inside to the outside. Place the bobbin onto the winder device and push the stopper to the left. Press the button to start the winding. After a few seconds, press the button again to stop and cut the thread tail. Continue winding. The machine stops automatically when the bobbin is fully wound. Needle and presser foot should be up. Remove the hook cover plate and open the hook cover. Insert the bobbin so that it runs clockwise when pulling the thread. Slide the thread through the slit and the tension spring. Insert the bobbin case by holding the latch. It is recommended to pull up the bobbin thread before starting to sew. The B08 has a separate motor for bobbin winding, which allows you to wind the bobbin while sewing.